graphics, I think, are really interesting to me. So I just like seeing it in person on the actual devices is pretty cool.
These are first generation Apple iBooks, commonly called clamshells because, they look like clams.
We have a whole bunch of Atari prototype machines that never really made it out in the wild. They're just vintage machines that are, rare, and it's good to get them out so people can see them and enjoy them.
Games were going to be one of the big impetuses for computers in your home.
If you could define vintage computers in one word, what would the word be?
Nostalgia.
Analog.
Innovation?
History. Childhood.
Beige.
People.
Intrigue.
Nostalgia. Lots of fun.